Yes! Jesus. This is a nice fish too. Oh. That was golden looking. Oh. Yes. On the humongous. Oh. Nice fish too. Oh. Oh. Come on. Yes! Oh, what a gorgeous fish. First fish on the boat. On the humongous. Oh. Oh, look at that bad boy. What a nice fish. Can't get any better than that. Maiden voyage of this boat at Bullen Merri, and I get a beautiful fish like this. That's great. Let's go get another. The way it goes. Yes! That's how you want to start a trip, with a fish like that. Oh. Oh. Nice bloody brown. Let's get another.